Mia, slow down! Leo! Mia, turn toward the grass! I'm trying!
Mia! Go onto the grass!
Dad! Mia, wanna race me? Okay, but I'm winning this time. Ready? Ready? Go! Come on, Mia, catch me. I'm coming. Yes, that was close. You only won by a little. You only won by a little. You almost got me. Next time, I will.
You can race here. Keep it safe and stay on the flat path.
Okay, Dad. Look, Leo, I'm ahead. Not for long. Here I come. Hey, wait! That was even closer. But you still won.
Take a little break. You've both been riding fast.
Leo keeps beating me. It's okay if I win sometimes. You ride really fast too. I want to win too. Can we ride over there?
We can look first.
This path is longer. Then we can have one more race.
This hill is different. Slow down before you reach it.
Okay, Dad. One more race, Leo. I can beat you. Okay, but we slow down at the hill.
Race on the flat part, then slow down together.
I remember, Mom. This one's really close. I'm not losing this time. I'm not losing this time. I'm catching you. You're getting faster. Leo, look! I'm winning! For now. Got you! Not yet. The hill's coming, Mia. I know. I'm okay. I passed you! You did!
Mia, Leo, start slowing down now.
Mia, slow down with me. In a second. I'm really winning.
Mia, brake now, sweetheart.
Okay, I'm slowing down. Why am I still going? Mia, you're going too fast. Come on, slow down. Whoa! Dad, she can't slow down.
Stay with Mom. I'll get closer.
Oh, that's the big turn.
Mia, don't jump off. Keep both hands on.
Okay, Dad. I can't just watch her.
Stay off the hill, Leo. Dad is with her.
Look at the grass, Mia. That's where you need to go.
The grass? Okay. Dad, it's wobbling.
Keep turning, Mia. Stay with it. Good, Mia. Keep going onto the grass.
I'm trying. Ah!
Mia! Mia, look at me. Are you hurt?
I think I'm okay. Mia fell! I'm going to her!
Stay on the grass, Leo.
Please be okay, Mia.
Dad is with her.
My hands and legs are okay.
Good. Stay sitting for a minute.
Dad! I thought I was gonna hit the fence.
I know. That was scary. You're safe now, sweetheart.
I was really scared. Mia, are you okay? I'm okay, Leo. You scared me so much. I'm sorry. You left your scooter up there. I wanted to get to you. You could have kept racing. I didn't care about winning anymore. I wanted to beat you so badly. You don't have to beat me. I'm just glad you're okay. Me too.
Let me check you, sweetheart.
Okay, Mom.
I don't see anything serious.
Good.
We'll check the scooter before you ride again.
Okay, Dad. I don't want to ride down that hill again.
You don't have to.
Leo, can we just ride together next time? Yeah, together. On why? We can rest here for a while. Okay, Mom.
The brake works. The steep hill made stopping much harder.
I waited too long.
I heard you, Dad. I just really wanted to beat Leo.
Thank you for telling me the truth. Wanting to win is okay. Ignoring safety isn't.
I understand now. I'm sorry I made the race too serious. It's okay. I like racing with you. Maybe we can ride slowly together. Maybe. I'm still a little scared. We don't have to ride yet. I'll wait with you. Thanks, Leo.
You can take your time, Mia.
I think I want to try again.
Just go as slowly as you want.
Stay close, Dad. This feels better.
You're in control. Nice and easy.
I stopped! Leo, come ride with me. Right beside you. Hey, I'm getting ahead. Then slow down. This is more fun. Yeah, we can talk too. Race you? Nope. Ride with me. Together it is. Together.
That's much better, you two.
We're not racing. So, who won? Both of us.
You're a good brother, Leo.
Even when I win? Even then. Winning isn't worth getting hurt. And riding together is more fun.